The average altitude of Tibet is more than 4,000 meters, known as the roof of the world. Statistics show that, at the end of 2014, the resident population of Tibet was about 3.1755 million. But the land area counts are 1/8 of the country's total area. This can be said to be China's last unexplored piece of clean land. However, due to the complex environment, the construction of the project is extremely difficult. Until now, travel by local residents has been a big problem. And China built here a highway is also known as China's last highway county. Mode Highway, 117 kilometers long. It is a new reconstruction project on the road from Zamu town in Bomi County to the county town of Mode County. Before the construction of the Mode Highway, there was only one mountain road for people and horses to walk and to climb over the snowy pass more than 4,000 meters, then through the danger zone of ant emperors, poisonous insects, and beasts, and at any time may encounter avalanches, heavy rain, landslides, swamps and other dangerous accidents. After listening to this, you did feel that had come to the original forest. The local people must like the wild man, chop and squib the thorns to come to the outside world. And China in the construction of the Mode Highway also has to cross many difficulties. The road has 29 new bridges and 227 culverts, spanning 6 rivers, such as the Bodo Tibetan River, the Jinju Tibetan River and the Chimo River, is one of the most difficult roads in the world to build. The fluctuations are the largest, the natural slope is the largest, the rainfall is the largest, the earthquake intensity is the largest, the geological disaster is the most complex. These 6 difficulties are the problems that engineers have to face. Combine local terrain, geology, climate, hydrology and old roads. Technicians use different technical standards and pavement structure according to different road sections. The 4-stage asphalt pavement is used in 22.9 kilometers from the starting point to the tunnel entrance section. The tunnel section 4.42 kilometers uses 3-stage cement concrete pavement structure. The remaining areas are using the 4-level road technical standard. Only the transport construction of steel and cement and other substances was up to more than 10,000 tons. Construction workers also in the local climate to determine the construction section. For example, when snow-capped mountains are work in low-altitude valleys. When it rainy in summer construction was work at high altitudes. When to build, can you build? I'll have to see the God's face. After 4 years of hard construction, the Mode Highway was finally refurbished. Let the local villagers can safely and worry about walking out of the mountains. In fact, these 4 years also represent China's infrastructure strength in recent years. In the 1960s, the road was being planned. At that time, there was no advanced road repair equipment, the local people on the mountain to dig forest. Then the roadbed widens, and most of the road sections are dug up on the mountain. The easy road was finally opened in 1994, although it was only 141 kilometers at the time. But the drop reached 4,200 meters, and the country began refurbishing the road. There is now the Mode Highway. In a real sense, the road took half a century to build. The first 46 years seemed to represent a poor China. And for the next 4 years it saw the incredibly powerful China. If you like this video, please subscribe us. We will continue to present you with great China achievements.